This is Shirley, and this is Jamming with Yarn. This is a quick episode of deliberate cooking. And this is not cooking, this is making tea, okay? And this tea is special to me because I'm trying to keep my blood pressure low. You guys pray for me. Keep the blood pressure low. It's not that it goes so high that it fluctuates so quickly between things. I think too much. Bottom line. I think too much. But anyway, this is to go along with everything else that I'm doing. So what you do is you buy some mint. Make sure you wash it because it do have sand on it, and it do might find a little buggy friend from our natural world, which I found. I went like, oh, of course I did. So I made sure I washed it. Put your mint in there. Put some sugar in here. I have some because I lost my memory went out. So you can use either one of these to sweeten it. I don't really care for that one. I don't know about that. I'm still a little stuck on sugar. So got sugar in here. I have my mint. I have my cinnamon stick. I have my lemon. Put a little bit of ginger in there. And if you're the kind of person that needed to be in some type of strainer or diffuser, you can do that. I have my hot water here. Hopefully things don't get steamed up. The only reason I'm putting it in this glass is because to show you. And later you can put it in the refrigerator if you want to. Give it a quick swirl. Let it sit for a few minutes. You can smell the lemon. You can strain it if you want to. I won't, because I'll use this mint one more time. And that's it. Put a little more lemon in it. Hopefully that big one don't fall out, which it is. I see one in there. That's okay. Yep, there go two more. Oh well. More for the party, but up in there. There you go. That's it. Really simple, really quick. You can pour it in your mug. There you go, you guys. Let me see. Very minty. Personally, I need more sugar. This is supposed to be the best type of cinnamon, the Ceylon. So, I don't know, it seems like other cinnamons can have like a poisonous effect to you if you use too much of it. Anyway, hope you have a wonderful Sunday. Thought I'll share this with you. Until next time, try to eat healthy for your body. Live long and prosperous.